Hello, I'm Simon from Simon's Simple English, and today we're going to be talking about some different types of adverbs. If you don't know what an adverb is, then please watch my other video on adverbs. But did you know there's many different types of adverbs? Today we're going to talk about 6 different types. The types are adverbs of time, frequency, place, manner, degree, and affirmation. Don't worry if you don't know exactly what I'm talking about. All will become clear very soon. So, without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. So, first of all, we're going to talk about adverbs of time. Adverbs of time deal with when something has happened or when something will happen. So, these are words like already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, and lately. Some examples. I have never heard this song before. I have never heard this song before. I have not seen him since. I have not seen him since. I haven't spoken to her yet. I haven't spoken to her yet. She'll be here soon. She'll be here soon. So those are some examples of adverbs of time. See if you can use one of these adverbs in a sentence. Let me know in the comments below what you come up with. The next adverb we're going to discuss are adverbs of frequency. So these tell you how often things are done. So these are words like always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, and once. Some examples of these adverbs being used is it's always cold in this room. It's always cold in this room. I normally go to the gym. I normally go to the gym. They often go out for dinner. They often go out for dinner. I occasionally eat fast food. I occasionally eat fast food. So those are adverbs of frequency, and those are some examples of how they can be used. Let me know in the comments below if you have a sentence using one of these adverbs of frequency. So saying how often something is done. So next we're going to talk about adverbs of place. And these give more information about where something is done. These are words like here, anywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, or upwards. Some examples of these may be, is that your scarf there? Is that your scarf there? I lived here for about 2 years. I've lived here for about 2 years. I walked backwards towards the door. I walked backwards towards the door. She turned her face upwards to the sun. She turned her face upwards to the sun. So, as we said, those are adverbs of place. Can you use them in a sentence? Let me know your sentence in the comments below. Right. Next, we're going to talk about adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. But what are adverbs of manner? These are adverbs that tell us more information about how something is done. So it could be how well something is done. So words like so or slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. What are some examples of this? The soldiers fought bravely. Is that so? Is that so? She dresses beautifully. She dresses beautifully. We waited anxiously by the phone. We waited anxiously by the phone. Anxiously means that we are anxious, we are worried about something. So, these are adverbs of manner. Can you use one in a sentence? Can you write your sentence in the comments below? Moving on. Now we're talking about adverbs of degree. These are called adverbs of degree. So these talk about like how much something is done. So how much something is done. Words like almost, fully, rather, quite, to, enough, and perfectly. So example might be, I am fully prepared. So I'm ready. I'm completely ready. I'm fully prepared. I am rather busy. Means I'm pretty busy. I am rather busy. She's almost 30. So she's almost 30. So she's almost but not quite 30. They're perfectly suited. They're perfectly suited. So those are adverbs of degree. Can you use an adverb of degree? Tell me what you come up with in the comments below. Next, we have adverbs of affirmation. Adverbs of affirmation. What does this mean? This means basically agreeing with something. So, I agree with you, should we say. So, these words like certainly or surely, apparently, obviously, and undoubtedly. So, surely you are mistaken. Surely you are mistaken. You have to be mistaken. Apparently, it's going to rain tomorrow. Apparently, it's going to rain tomorrow. The design certainly looks good on paper. The design certainly looks good on paper. So can you use an adverb of affirmation? Let me know what you come up with in the comments box below. So that's 6 different types of adverbs. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it useful. I hope it helps you with your English. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel. And then you can see any of my new videos that come out as soon as they arrive. Great to see you. Thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.